tops, got the tips.
Hi everybody!
Hi everybody! Welcome back to our Tip Top Kitchen, and today we are going to start off with our tea time series.
Yep, and we thought we would kick off this series by showing you crumpets. Now, I don't know if you know crumpets, they're a very British tea time treat.
It is. I have never had the chance to buy any crumpets here in Germany.
You know, I've never seen crumpets in any other country. So,
we decided to show you how to make them today.
yeah, now I've never made them before, and neither has Beatrice.
No.
So we have a
Didn't
recipe.
say that.
Okay, yeah, we're professionals, we've done this before. So Beatrice, what ingredients do we have?
So we've got milk,
Mm-hmm.
white milk, a bit of water, then some flour. We will need a teaspoon of sugar, some yeast, and baking powder. Unfortunately, we don't have any soda.
No, so we're just going to 3 times the baking powder.
And a pinch of salt we need.
And you also need a whisk. You can use a hand one, but we're using electric. A large mixing bowl and some metal rings. Very important for crumpets. Okay. So first thing we do is warm our milk.
Exactly, so let's pour it
Pour
into
milk
the
into
pot.
there. We'll put the amounts down below, so don't worry about that. Put
So
that on
now-
to warm.
Exactly, we have to
that's
warm
all
it
done.
a little bit.
And
Okay.
while that's warming up, we can prepare the dry ingredients.
Exactly, so that means we put flour into this bowl. And then we will need the yeast, right?
No. The salt and the baking
And
powder.
salt, okay,
Yeah.
sorry. Pinch of salt.
Oh, I put a bigger pinch than that.
Oh, wait,
Yeah,
okay,
why
2
not?
pinches, okay.
And then we
Some.
need 3 teaspoons. So just put that in.
Exactly.
Okay.
2, maybe
2,
2. It's almost the whole packet.
3.
Okay,
Baking
perfect.
powder. So that's instead of our soda. And then we just need to mix those around together. So I'll give you a nice to combine the dry ingredients and make a well. And then when the milk is warm, we will add to the milk the water, which is lukewarm, the yeast, and a teaspoon of sugar. And we're going to let those sit for 15 minutes until they're frothy and they have a nice foamy head.
This we will show you later on.
Yeah. So,
Okay,
we'll see you in a bit.
So you need time is up, I guess.
Yeah, let's check and see if we have bubbles.
Oh, wow.
Smell? Yeah, I can see.
Yes,
Some bubbles
I
in
can
there.
also see some.
Excellent.
Show them
Look
to
there. You can see the bubbles.
Cool.
So now, the fun part.
You're
We're
pouring
going
this
to
in.
pour this into here and just put it on a slow mix from the centre. So
Yes,
mix in the
exactly.
centre.
Okay, let's do it. Very slowly. And wait a little bit. Double cream.
Yeah, that looks good to me.
Big reveal!
Yeah, so 45 minutes have passed and let's have a look and see what's happening to our crumpets.
Oh.
Wow.
It has risen.
It's risen a lot, it's definitely grown.
cool.
It's still very liquid, very wet.
So it's not a dough, is it?
No, it's more of a batter than a dough. Yeah.
Exactly. So the batter is more liquid.
Yeah, a batter is something we would use for waffles or pancakes usually, whereas dough for bread, pastry, things like that.
Exactly. So let's see. Is it hot enough?
Yeah, well we've greased all of the pan and the rings, and
Exactly.
so we need about fill them about halfway because they grow as
Exactly.
well.
So we need to cover it maybe for 1 centimeter.
Yeah. So should we
let's
see if it's
exactly. Maybe shall we
spoons?
start over
Because
there?
it's quite thick.
Oh yes. Okay. I
1,
think
2,
maybe
3,
Maybe you.
And stop. No, I think stop there. So it's about centimetre.
Okay, so let's,
Next one.
maybe you help with this.
I don't think I
spoon
need to. I think we just need to stop there. Yeah. And stop.
Alright, nice.
Yay! We have a system.
Cool.
Okay. And we're done.
Okay, so now it's on 9
Yep,
actually.
on maximum heat, and we'll just let that cook.
Cook a little bit for 3 to 4 minutes. What are we going to do to get rid of the ring here?
Take the ring off.
Oh, okay. Oh, cool.
That's
Shall
very
I?
hot.
Shall I flip it over?
Yeah, let's see if that works. Hopefully it's not stuck.
That's a
It's
little
difficult.
bit.
Sorry, we're using a cake slice because we don't have a spatula here.
Oh, but
Let's
maybe a
flip
little
it
bit.
over.
Oh yes, so
Yeah,
you can
could do. It needs a little bit longer, I think.
Yes.
because
I
it's not
wonder
quite
whether
ready
we
yet,
should put some more butter in it, that it doesn't get stuck here.
but I think
Okay.
we.
Yeah. Do you know what we are doing? We are doing this way.
That works. Ready?
So, right, so you don't have to burn your hands or your fingers.
I'm using my nails.
Oh, and okay. Oh, this is a nice one.
Yeah, they just need a little bit longer because they should be a darker brown.
Yes, we
underneath.
can flip it over again. Let me
Yeah.
see. Oh, yes, this is even better. Here, have a look.
Excellent. Yep, that's getting there. It's still not quite dark enough. but-
Yes. Okay, let's see this one here. What do you think?
Give
A
it a
little bit more?
little bit longer. Yeah.
But they're perfect, Nick.
They look so good.
Really?
Look at the texture.
Yes.
I think that one's the best one. Okay, it's stuck, but it's the best one.
It's stuck.
That's the best one. We won't worry about it sticking.
I'm not left-handed, so okay.
Yeah, it's difficult with the wrong equipment too. But
Okay. So this one, do you think?
oh no, that one's
No, not ready.
stuck.
Okay. So maybe we should
Hang on a second. If we just go under like
turn
this,
up the
we
heat a
can
little
get.
bit. So 7, I put it on 7 now.
There we go. We'll put that back in. It's
Yeah.
fine. Shh, didn't happen.
So cool. So
Should we flip this
it
one as
should be
well?
on the hop. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, maybe. Oh, a little bit more. You see.
No,
So-
that's perfect on that side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The
Have
top side should not be too dark because they go in the toaster as well. Remember.
Oh, okay. Yes, that's true.
So the top side should have a little bit
But
of
I
brown.
would. Oh, I would.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
That one a little bit more. But yeah, the top should be quite a pale colour because then when they go in the
cool.
toaster, they're cooked more.
Yes. You put some butter in it.
Yeah.
Put more butter later on. Wait.
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
So-
So
That's our. Maybe we should show it,
yeah, let's pop those on the plate.
and maybe the other way around. That they see also the very brownish
And then,
side.
so they have the brown on the underneath, and you can see they have all of the little bubbles on the top. And these are not ready to eat yet because we're going to put them in the toaster and then have them for tea time.
With some Marmite,
Yeah,
right?
in our next episode.
Exactly. We will show you at another time.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
So thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something.
See you back soon.
Yep.
In
And
our next episode.
yeah. And now we're going to go and eat crumpets. Bye.
Bye.
Oh tip top, oh tip top, oh tip tops. Who got the tips?